Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is TENGKU NATASHA by TENGKU IBRAHIM. Today I am going to talk about the surprising facts about cannibalism. Before I go more, let me tell you about the cannibalism. Cannibalism usually realistic eating of human flesh by human being. By eating of the flesh of an animal by another of the same kind. The pecking and tearing of live flesh of its own member in a domestic poultry flock. I would like to share you about the three surprising facts of the cannibalism that give you more knowledge. Now, let's move to the first surprising fact of cannibalism. The first fact of cannibalism is used as a medical treatment. Benefits of medical cannibalism. According to the medicinal cannibalism in early modern English literature and culture by Nobel Louis Christine, the ingestion of human body, whether it is dead or living, to eliminate illness is known as medical cannibalism. The idea that since the human body is capable of self-healing, it may also assist in the healing of other human bodies and give rise to the medical trade and the pharmaceutical use of human bodily fluids and components. Now let me tell you about the medical cannibalism in Europe. It can be dated to the 2nd century AD and the Roman Empire. Marcello Ficino, a philosopher who lived in the 15th century, claimed that Romans drank the blood of dead gladiators to replenish their strength, and he advised following the practice by taking blood from young people. In the 16th century, medical cannibalism in Europe reached its zenith and was widely practiced in Germany, France, Italy, and England. The second surprising fact is cannibalism was practiced in colonial America. Evidence of cannibalism found at Jamestown in May 1607. 104 immigrants in Vermont on 3 ships, the Susan Constant, the Discovery, and the Godspeed, to found Jamestown, the first permanent English colony in North America. They built a wooden fort, a storehouse, a crèche, and several dwellings when they established their colony on a little peninsula on the James River. The Jamestown settlers failed to grow food because of the area's drought and their inexperience, and they suffered from hunger and sickness. According to the forensic scientists have discovered the first concentrated evidence that English immigrants in 17th century Jamestown engaged in cannibalism during the starving days, when several droughts and food shortages killed out more than 18% of the colony during the winter of the 1609 to 1610. A team led by the William Kelsom from the Jamestown Rediscovery Project at the Preservation Regina, and James Holmes, Vice President of the Research and Historical International, discovered the remains of the 14-year-old Jane in 2020 during a 20 years excavation of the dormant fort. The third surprising fact is humans are mostly hardwired against cannibalism. Good biology, cannibalism is taboo in virtually every culture. You risk becoming sick if you eat other people. In particular, consuming another person's brain can result in kuru, a brain condition related to mad cow disease. Kuru developed because the poison that cause the illness are present in our brains. Trembling is the first symptom, followed by death. The Fora people of Papua New Guinea are infamous among anthropologists for cannibalism. They consumed the remains of family members up till the late of 1915 in order to purge their spirit. Kuru killed thousands of Fora people. Kuru actually comes from the Fora word for shaking. However, some of them during the past 200 years have also developed a genetic mutation that shields them against the prions that spreads Kuru. Therefore, not all them contract the illness. Now let me conclude my speech. In conclusion, I have told you about the 3 surprising facts about cannibalism. The representation of the cannibal in popular culture that I have looked at provide insight into the classification of phobias that prevented Western culture in the 19 and 20 countries. The colonial cannibal and his decline into participation in terrible ceremonies which could harm subsequent attempt at easy levity about separate critical discussion on incarceration, historical inquiry, and modern perception of Africa will into the later descendants of 20th country. That's all I can share with you. That's all from me, and thank you.